So hello everyone, I am Pratyush Rai, first year MBBS student at Manipal Tata Medical College, and in this video we are going to discuss the course calendar for the MBBS 2024 batch which has been released by the NMC. So the first and foremost thing is to be noted that this year there has been no deduction in the number of months for the years or for the professional years, since in earlier years we had seen that due to frequent delays session times was cut out, like first year was made only for 11 months, but this year no such developments have been seen, and it's actually good from the student's point of view. So your first year, or you will call it as MBBS phase 1, is going to start from the October of 2024. You can see the timetable on your screen now, the complete 66 months of timetable. So your first MBBS first year or MBBS first phase 1 is going to start in the October of 2024, and your exams, first year exams will be held next year, that is in the month of September of 2025. So your session will be from October to September, and not the ones which was started from August or July in the previous years. So after your first year exams in the September of 2025, your second year, that is MBBS phase 2, will start from the October of 2025. It will be called as MBBS phase 2, and again your second year exams will be held in year 2026 in the month of September. Then your third year, which will be also called phase 3 part 1. One thing is to be noted that third year and fourth year are called combined as phase 3, since here you will be learning the main clinical subjects. The first phase was preclinical subjects, the second phase was paraclinical subjects, and the third phase will be clinical subjects. So clinical subjects have been combined together as phase 3, and third year, which is of 12 months, it is called phase 3 part 1, and fourth year, which is of 18 months, it will be called as phase 3 part 2. So your third year or phase 3 part 1 will start in the October 2026 and will continue till 2027 September. There you will be having your third year final exams or MBBS phase 3 part 1 final exams, which will be conducted in the month of September. There can be minimal 15 days or 20 days up and down according to different universities, but more or less it will be according to this only. Then after your third year, your fourth year, which is not actually a year, it's the fourth prof, which is of 18 months, and you will be studying main clinical subjects in this year, in these 18 months. So it will start from the October of 2027, and it will be called as MBBS phase 3 part 2, and it will continue till the 18 months. So from the starting of October 2027, these 3 months of 2027, your entire 12 months of 2028 and 3 months of 2029 year will be counted in your MBBS fourth prof or MBBS phase 3 part 2. Then after the end of part 2, phase 3 part 2, you will be having your end examination, which will be also called as national exit test, which will be a national level competitive examination. Earlier there were university examinations in the fourth prof also, but from this batch, for the 2024 batch, it has been proposed that the university examinations will be dismissed, and everyone will sit for the national exit test, the students from all over the India, in a same examination to be eligible for their internship. So after you will qualify your next one, your compulsory medical rotating internship for 12 months will start. So it will start in the April of year 2029, since as it has been proposed for now, and it will continue till your 12 months, and again you will be required to give your national exit test part 2, one more next examination, second part examination at the end of your internship. After that you will be eligible for your licentiate. Now let us quickly discuss the subjects which we will be studying in our different years. So in the MBBS phase 1 or in the first year, we will be studying our anatomy, physiology and biochemistry, which will last for 12 months. And apart from that, universities has been instructed to conduct a foundation course of 2 weeks at the start of the course. Apart from these also, you will be having your introduction to community medicine and family adoption programs, which will continue throughout the years. And also ATCOM module, which is also called attitude, ethics, communication module, including some humanities portion. So you will be having all these subjects in your first year. In the second year, which will also be called the MBBS phase 2, you will be studying pathology, microbiology and pharmacology as your main subjects. This phase will also last for 12 months. Apart from these, you will be having some introduction to community medicine along with the family adoption program, and you will be given introduction to forensic medicine and toxicology, although it is a third year subject, but a little bit of introduction has to be there. Apart from that, clinical postings will start from the second year, and ATCOM module will continue as follows. Then in third year or phase 3 part 1, you will be studying as community medicine, forensic medicine, otorhinolaryngology, which is also called as ENT, and ophthalmology as the four main subjects of the third year or MBBS phase 3 part 1. This will continue for 12 months. Apart from that, you will have clinical postings and AdCom modules. And now comes the main year, the final fourth prof or MBBS phase 3 part 2. In this year will last for 18 months, and in this year we will be studying our first subject as general medicine, its allied subjects as dermatology, psychiatry, then you will be having your pediatrics, then general surgery and its allied subjects as orthopedics, radiodiagnosis, anesthesiology, and obstetrics and gynecology. Apart from that, there will be regular clinical postings and some portions of AdCom module. This all will continue. This all will constitute your phase 3 part 2 exams. And apart from that, at the end of the phase 3 part 1 and before the start of phase 3 part 2, there will be some elective subjects. I think it's 15 days or something. So NMC has instructed for some elective programs to be studied by the students regardless of the results of the phase 3 part 1 exams. So I think that also will be a compulsory thing to do, and that will be between the two parts of the phase 3 year. Okay, so this was all from this video. Thank you for watching the video, and for more such videos, stay tuned to the channel. Thank you.